Hello everyone, here's another quick video for you today. As you can see, this video I'm showing you a remote control. This particular remote control actually is designed to control the LG Sidekick Pedestal washer. As you can see, you can control basically the main wash cycles of it on the machine. As you can see, you can power it on. As you can see, it power it on. Then if you look, you can, and then just to look at this, you can see that it gives you access to all the main wash cycles, the normal, the intimates, active wear, hand wash, and the rinse and spin, and then of course to be able to start and pause the cycle. The only thing that this remote won't let you work is if you want to add the like a warm wash. It doesn't let you work that option. And it doesn't give you access to the extra rinse or the child lock, and you also can't select the tub clean cycle with the remote. I actually bought this not just to show you the other little gadget that you can get with these machines, but it's just something I wanted to be able to have for later on down the road, because you know how it goes, that sometime down the road they might either stop making this or they change it, and then the remote goes away or is not offered no more. So I wanted to order it while I could, and so I can add this to the so I can have it and whatnot. The battery is right in there. It's one of those little button batteries. I don't have any wash to do, but I'm just trying to show you this new little remote. I went for this to work. It says in the book that the remote sensor is actually right over here next to the extra rinse option. Another nice thing about this remote, so you don't have to worry, because it's actually got a magnet that you can actually just put it like on the side of your washer or on top or wherever else you might want to keep it, so it's close by. As you can see, there's me accessing the normal wash, intimates, the hand wash, the active wear, and the rinse and spin cycles. And of course, if I went and pushed that button, it would start the wash, start the cycle that you have set. And of course, you could push the power again, just power it off. But yeah, that's I just wanted to show you this other little item. You can get it. This is not this doesn't actually come with the washer. You have to order this separate from the LG website. But yeah, it's another neat little thing, which is good. Like if someone has one that has a hard time bending over for long periods of time, just know you can get that remote, and you can at least, with the exception of loading and unloading it, you can at least turn it on and start a wash cycle without having to bend over all the time. I hope you found this interesting. I guess that's all I can really tell you about this remote. I just got it not too long ago, the other day, and I just thought you'd like to see this neat little device that you can use with this washer. hope you found this interesting. Thank you for watching. God bless. Have a good evening.